Bihar, a bridge collapse incident that has taken place. Satarghat Bridge, located in the Gopalganj district, built at a cost of over 260 crore rupees, that has collapsed and washed away. The bridge was inaugurated on 16th of June. Days after it was inaugurated, the bridge has collapsed. 260 crore rupees that were put in the construction of this bridge. Several political reactions that were picking up on the story. Let's listen in.
जून को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी ने गोपालगंज में जो 70 घाट पुल है, जो 2012-13 से लगभग 8 साल में बनकर के तैयार हुआ था, उसका उद्घाटन किया था। और उद्घाटन के बाद ठीक 29 दिन बाद ये पुल जो है ध्वस्त हो चुका है, टूट चुका है। और सवाल कई खड़े उठ रहे हैं कि ये 8 साल से ये पुल जो है ये बन रहा है और लगभग इस पे खर्चा जो आया है 264 करोड़ रुपए का खर्चा आया है और 8 साल लगे बनने में। और अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, ठीक 30 दिन पहले माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इस पुल का जो है उद्घाटन किया। हम लोग लगातार ये कहते रहे हैं कि ये आम बात हो चुकी है।
Prakash also joining us with more details, because Prakash, just over a month that this bridge was inaugurated, more than 260 crore rupees that was spent on this bridge, and now it has been washed away. Opposition hitting out at the Nitish Kumar government. Any reactions you've picked up from the government so far?
Well, the government has sent a team to ascertain the situation there in Gopalganj, where the approach road and the flyover, which was the approach area, has been damaged due to discharge of water in the Gandak river. But to tell you honestly, the discharge was not so much, because Bihar witnesses flood every year, and that particular bridge, which connects 6-7 districts of Bihar, is an important bridge, and it was inaugurated, as Tejasvi Yadav rightly pointed out, a month back, and it took 8 years to construct that bridge at a cost of 264 crore. But there was some fault in the design as well as the construction work as far as the approach area is concerned. The grading and the boulder pitching was not done, and the soil was also not put on the approach area. That led to the destruction of the approach area by continuous discharge of water, as Bihar witnesses floods every year. But notwithstanding the fact, it's a callous approach on part of the Bihar government and the construction company which constructed that bridge. As far as the main bridge and the flank is concerned, that has not been damaged at all. So it's a serious issue, but the damage is not to an extent that the main bridge has been damaged. If the main bridge was damaged, then it would have raised serious alarm and concern. And after soil pitching and boulder pitching, the things could be rectified. But it's purely a callous approach. Within construction of 1 month, there was a fault in the design, and a team has been constituted to look into it. We are sure that some action will be taken, and action should be taken, and this will also necessitate the fact that the main bridge has received any damage or not, if there was fault in the design. So certainly it's a huge blow as far as Nitish Kumar's administration is concerned, because a bridge collapsing, whether it is due to faulty designs or because of the fault of the construction company or the fault of the engineers or the government officials involved, it's a callous approach for sure, because the discharge was not so much as of now that could have led to the destruction of the approach road. And it was purely because of the faulty design and bad construction work in the approach area, and the government has constituted a team to take action against the concerned people. Back to you.
Yes, and perhaps one can't even say, Prakash, that possibly one should have waited for a little while longer before they inaugurated the bridge. Possibly it was not fully ready, because the construction took 8 long years, investment of more than 260 crore rupees, and could not even stand for a month.
Well, that's the irony. You take 8 long years, and and the bridge could not stand even for 1 month, particularly the approach area. And what I have understood from the experts and the technocrats who are involved in building construction and flyover constructions late last night, they say that the boulder pitching was not done, the soil was not compacted to the extent on the approach area that it could sustain the discharge of the water, and the discharge of water surprisingly was not so much that it could have led to the destruction of the approach area. So there was some technical fault in the construction of the approach area. Now the construction of the main flank of the flyover would also be ascertained whether the foundation is right or not. So it will undergo investigations to an extent that there was faulty designs or there was some mishandling by the construction agencies as well as the government officials. So surely this is a big blow to Nitish Kumar's administration, and it has exposed the functioning of the road construction department, the way this bridge was concerned, because this bridge connects 6 to 7 districts of Bihar on the Gandak River, and it had become the lifeline, and it was built with the purpose of becoming a lifeline to all those people who wanted to commute from one district to another in those 6-7 districts.
Yes.
And people were very happy, but this has come as a huge surprise and shocker.
Yes, and will Nitish Kumar now fix accountability is the next big question. But Tejasvi Yadav, who in fact took to Twitter to say that 260 crore rupees were just for a glimpse, has also reacted and strongly criticized the government for the same. Let's listen.
17-18 जून को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी ने गोपालगंज में जो 70 घाट पुल है, जो 2012-13 से लगभग 8 साल में बनकर के तैयार हुआ था, उसका उद्घाटन किया था। और उद्घाटन के बाद ठीक 29 दिन बाद ये पुल जो है ध्वस्त हो चुका है, टूट चुका है। और सवाल कई खड़े उठ रहे हैं कि ये 8 साल से ये पुल जो है ये बन रहा है, और लगभग इस पे खर्चा जो आया है 264 करोड़ रुपए का खर्चा आया है, और 8 साल लगे बनने में। और अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, ठीक 30 दिन पहले माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इस पुल का जो है उद्घाटन किया। हम लोग लगातार ये कहते रहे हैं कि ये आम बात हो चुकी है।
So opposition leaders, they're taking a dig at the Nitish Kumar government because this particular bridge, after having taken 8 long years for construction, after having spent over 263 crore rupees in the construction, got washed away. It was inaugurated just on 16th of the last month. Opposition coming out strongly against the Nitish Kumar government. Meanwhile, no one has said a word yet from the Nitish Kumar camp, so one is waiting for a reaction on the same and who really will be fixing the accountability as far as this latest issue is concerned.